program eji tuyine ikiganiro na Minister wa za government byanga Honorable Baramu Barugahara Atinyi kandi umushugano sa program ndi Boaz Tumwesiji. Minister Baramu Barugahara ebirebo muihanga njano wakusinga kutunda wiyaho president wihanga Baramu namakuru agarukwosya abakumukunda mbamukunda nabakumutina mbamtina for reasons is very clear na rienda imirimo ya government ekorweje sente ziyanga zireke kufa abanyuganda basimo bohereza kwa government barije kuhereza karuru. Minister Baramu twakutangira hano ya Tayari West ramsyaho abakutureba
musibire mutaba abala Tayari TV na Tayari West mwebale kusima emirimo ya Tayari twikaire tuli hamu kuruga natandikire anti corruption drive Masaka so turugire Masaka at 1000 twikire buheju byokwenda kubamanyisa nti yangali tulibe rigenzere government zaite zebichweko ba government zebyango ba government zebyaro zibere zigenzere abo abebembezi aba district na cities abatakurondora na batayino vunanizi bwa sente za mwe musoro mulingo guzikuturuchyamu ba technocrats ba technocrats sente bakuzitunga ni balya bo bakulya ni bawutambe sente tebachali ambe bo bakuuta kuba umuntu warawuta sente zo muhanda akakwata sente zo muhanda akazuuta ukatunda eirembo ukatunda cemetery amali tukuzika abantu Kambarara city ukatunda eitaka ya city wa district Mbarara ukakwata urusozi rwa Bugabe ukatunda utaina na permission ya kutunda beto kakwesa bugezigezi kandi ukatunda bei dondolo bei bakutunda Bugabe urusozi rwa Bugabe ekaba gitonzere milioni 3 alo ndota urusozi ano ekaba 13 na bilioni nemo muntu kutagama kuguza so busuma bwa mulingo cyo so ka government tugenda kurwanira hamu kandi guno omulimo gutorogo kurwanisa obuli bwenguzi tuguli gwange nkabarugara omulimo ogwo gwetitwera abanyayuganda tuguli mulimo gwa General Muhoozi kaine Rugaba tuguli mulimo gwa President Museveni omulimo gwa bana Uganda bona tukolere hamu turwanise obuli bwenguzi turwanise n'abasoma abamazire sente za government abatakuyamba government so nibyebyo so program yakatandika kurunyi katandikira Mbarara ndi mwankole Mbarara town clerk deputy town clerk accounting officer aba procurement tukora investigation ya procurement tukora investigation ya health department takora muri mogo gwa inakora DHO akutakuba ground abantu bakuraising complaints bakuyitage cyoma cha scan mu yuraro lyambarara abantu babatwara mugerwa private clinic bagende bakole scan kule private kantu ine cyoma cha government nibagamba kifire oli nagenda nakora scan kuli bakusindika abantu kama 15 kilo niwasule mitwara 3 so oli nakwata kasente naba betu kandi government ekyoma tukachigura chiro so such impunity and humbleness is what is killing our state and our nation so Mbarara muhanda bakalia almost 200 meters of a road bakaziri izo muhanda gwa Kano Ndukire road bakaziri sente za tax park bakombeka toilet batajiconnectinga asua emazire myaka 3 era toilet ya town agati mu town toina toilet sai demu engineer wa district wabebembezi ba physical planner ba district akazibo muhanda yatekamo echapa yatekao plot which country is this omuhanda oguba ire emyaka n'emyaka omwanda ogukutwara abantu mu Kaikuru estate mama Museveni omwanda akabagutere mu plot aguchingire omuntu mukozi wa government no sanga no gamba dine yanga lina abantu abakumonitoringa programs za government obatu kutuchaga tusoma budget ntuzidagawo omuntu bamugamba agenda yombeka ebyombeko bisatu 3 classrooms na yombeka ochimu ezidi na anena na aziria amarwaro emibazi abasauti balimu emibazi bakugitonda eno ankole niyo yaitu ankole is the headquarter of Uganda kuba omwebembezi wa Uganda aruga ankole omwebembezi aro akuruga ankole omwebembezi agaruka Muhoozi akuruga ankole but you are not doing much so the people of Ankole the people of Bujoro the people of Toro the people of Kigezi Western region access the people of Rwenzori tukole tuliba amaziba kuba ensi ija kutusekera nse kwikala ne tusekere ne gamba bano bakola ki so ijjo tubeerege isingiro abebembizi baisingiro bakansala ba youth leader bekeri ne bayo sente za web ne bazigabana sente za YLP ne bazigabana ate abo tubakwasire kawo akasasula bilioni 5 ne kichweka oisingiro awo Yusimid road okubana ololo obwanda bulo bwa Gusumid bwa isingiro town council you will cry no gamba 5 billion zikagenda nka on 7 kilometers sente bakaziria drainage sewage ekuraba hagati mu town ya isingiro nesirimuka ambala abantu bakunywa amaizi nga oragamba akayanja kano oli nasirimuka no twara drainage amaizi open drainage abakuflash ngani gagenda mu chano negagenda bala abantu bakuta amaizi is this the country we want?
No.
So if it's not the country we want, this war must be confronted by all of us. Kwenda kusima right honorable speaker Jacob both right honorable. Kwenda kusima mkuru wange my Obian friend right honorable Taibwa for coming out strongly to stand with me in this anti-corruption drive. In especially I want to thank all members of cabinet, Prime Minister, Vice President, ministers, and even the members of judiciary and the security who are saying enough has been enough. The time to expose the rot is now, and who are the people making the rot. Abantu bakwikana nibanga president taina chatu yambire myakana baitu ati bagenda ni babiro anti president akaba sente zokora damu ya maizi agakusensere ebyokulya omuntu yakora damu nkamba iri singiro damu bakagikora yo serving ebyaro bina damu serving a family emu nebyoma bifiri pump tekora the pump is dripping so ebintu ebingi it's quite a lot of things.
So Minister Baramu local government says hariho accounting officers bakao ba state clerks kunkana banda vote controllers nkaba engineer ba DHO abaye batakoraje mu mugwabo kunkaro office RDC hariho diso abakwemba kora reports bakanga commissioning project says obo oshangire mu mugobe gubegurguha omunshobeze zero
ensobiza itwitwena ensobiza aba minister ensobiza aba inspectors ensobiza aba accounting officers ensobiza abanya-Uganda abanyacharo ensobiza aba councillor inakubano okaguza in this financial year what are you doing in my sub county the money has come when are you doing it okagamba ogenda akora kintu na kintu so kukikora lyali tukatekao sente ziti mu budget sente ezo kota kuzileta ijoba irege tuli mureba jarali omuntu nagama isingiro omuntu nagama nti bakatuwa milioni rwenda tugule itaka tugule negombora iyo sente zitaije bataziri bakakosa existing land small land oyi nagamba nti someone wanted land so he had his land and it was small nagoza kwa boundary asasola engineer aja saro muhanda amulekera part emu ya district ajireka side yono ona tekao boundary so it's connivance member of parliament they are the oversight they are the controller oversight of every constituency because that is they are the one advocating for money no kwikana ne basaba sent omuli mugoba kozere isingiro president akakola directive no more road blocks to collect money from people from food items collection is abuza kwelezeri mu butale bayira do kusanga isingiro district omuntu agenda na atwale enta farm na atema motoka farm ni balodinga ebyokulya niba muchajenga 2 ni bayika road block niba musaba emitwale 3 wetu bakagwiza ge sente zo no collection zibukora amuhanda zirika bebuzabuza nayo bayiro ozubayinege at state house and corruption na IG jogo muri mogwabo but in the meantime to hero road block isingiro tubanza tukole audit on what they received initially vis-a-vis what is available.
So minister abantu b'ugenzeri noragira ngo bakwatwe abo bantatu bo barinkahi ababiri interdicted soon ntakubaho assessment ya office ya prime minister now substantive heads of department baba ya interdiction nabaku bahatu bari hi future aberieta in terms of their jobs
at every investigation yet in investigator I guide once I've guided it's upon the investigation agents but chenkumanya yo town clerk and deputy town clerk bo bali mu command bachara no mu command abambara balo abanaka bamukwasirege ejo timanyiro bali nkati manyire. So now the rest is upon IGG, CID, State House Anti-Corruption, those agencies responsible for investigating, apprehending and presenting to court, and DPP. Now the ball is in their hand.
Minister abantu bakugambira inshonga nyingi, inshonga z'amataka, inshonga z'amarwaro, pages za president, byona kora bitware president, hariho sente zo kwija kubikoraho ombwire bugufu.
President no akusalamu. I don't decide for the president. My work is to deliver a message to the president. No okusanga TV ya president ero obusumi obukiro bwingi saezo zareba jo president akuba na arora complaint z'abantu na mwenyina banazirora kandi jazikoraho. It's a matter of time. Obundi akwenda kumuri mindinga because Uganda yonera mutwe gumugwa Yoweri Kaguta Museveni the general. So tukwenda kumuyamba out muri mindinge. Yeah, so the president needs to be supported and reminded, and we are not doing that job.
Minister Baramu, ocho no ukora abantu binyamba kisima ngukikire. Konga bamwe bine obutikirizana na enkora.
Abakwiba bayine enkora. Abakwiba bayina formula yo kwiba. So oraba oyino omuntu akwiba atayina formula yo kwiba, oyina kumukwata atayina formula yo kumukwata.
Takubasa kuzomukote akacharenje ngo kuyihirwa mu rumo kuyatungire interdiction government akaenda ni mshashura.
Ato muri mo investigation gulichi. Let them investigate, take to DPP. DPP waragama to ino musango deno ina kwe defending. Orawoza musango waragama because that interdiction doesn't mean bakubingire. Interdiction step aside to enable impartial investigation.
Okay.
Ogo investigation is not my work. And someone proving that he has a case ogo muri motuguli gwange gwa DPP.
Minister Baramu mu district wajirimu. General findings ebyoshanyambya nakushana om abuse mu embezzlement ni nshonga kizojo to almost district nchishangire.
Okulya sente na ghost health workers. Kiri mu district zone. Abantu okora ebintu okora emirimu etali yabo la kagutekinga ova kagutwara. Iri mu district zone. Yes.
And tukutina ngo okozara abazigubinji omu local governments buri account either na kutina
na John the Baptist akakora abazigubinji. John the Baptist the apostle. He also created so many enemies and so many friends. Abakunsabira baroba inji nabakunyanga baroba inji. But I don't care. Let me be remembered in Taroro Nkaro Mzeiru Bauraino Ruero 1986. They rescued Uganda and liberated Uganda for 40 years. So na nyoye kwenda ensenyi jukire. Takaba omusajja omunyoro omutaga barugara tiyatinaga. Omutatina. Tikwenda kutina ndemujukuru akabalega.
So minister ejenshonga ito abantu kantori bitu baramuwenga. Na ba minister bandi webyamagana ija kutayaya na wakwatse ba ini charge akwatse bona bareba bashoboze na regini crusade yawe nka champion
ati crusade and corruption. It is everyone's responsibility. But it depends you ogambire tokutina abanyanzigwa werabani batina abanyanzigwa babatini nyente ije kora sente kija kukora to improve service delivery. Yes. So it's upon government. Everybody has his role. Let everyone do his role. I'm not the supervisor. Tinka baga omukama wa cabinet. Tinka baga chief prime minister. It is chief minister. Apana. Kandi tindi park public accounts committee chairperson. But I'm telling them there is a mistake here. Let us work together to sort that mistake. So ababa ira tayari mwebale njagaruka tuino obwire tuba TV tukole program. Mukama aba omugisa.
Okay. Yabare Minister Baramu mwetu antugambana we omwabazi ogwo ntenda kumureka zikuhumara hasi birarihire kandi ntenda kumusima okutambura ihangeri ikigambo kimwe abo abantu bakurura minister.
Abantu nyera bala tayari. Musigale ni muola tayari kandi ni murora tayari bali serious kandi kwenda kusima director anita na muchala anita no musajja we Thomas Tayebwa arali
mukamumpa ko
no arali.
Okay.
Then mukazi we no Anita Tayebwa Nyamunura Atenyi. So kwenda kubasima ku investinga sente ezo nzona mu TV.
Okay.
Okorora ntu wabana baitu emirimo. Mukama ba omugisa.
Thank you.
Honorable Minister Baramu Baragahara uri Minister wa Government z'ebyanga kuganiraho n'umunyamakuru witwa Boaz Tumwesige ahanshonga y'ubushomanguzi ubwashangire bukwatsire ahansi na heguru